Ciao! Welcome to Maria Teresa's kitchen. In this video I want to show you how to make poached pears in red wine. Wash and peel the pears. In a large pot, add the wine, the water, and the sugar. Mix to dissolve the sugar. Add the zest and the juice of one orange. Add cinnamon stick and the pears. Bring it to a simmer and cover with a piece of parchment paper. Simmer for about 90 minutes or until a knife can pass through the pear easily. Place the pears in a bowl with the simmering liquid. When cool enough to handle, serve or refrigerate.